Chinese hip grinder. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker looking to improve your hip mobility for movements like pancakes, middle splits, or even the front splits, check this out. The Chinese hip grinder is an exercise that rotates the pelvis around the upper leg bones, moving the hip through internal and external rotation. Here's how it works. Start by standing with your feet in a double shoulder width stance. You can choose to have the feet pointing forward, or you can turn the toes inwards to increase the internal and external hip rotation. From here, set the pelvis to have a posterior pelvic tilt by tucking your tailbone between your legs and contracting your glutes. Place your hands together in front of your chest. Next, start to rotate the pelvis as far as you can without moving your feet. As you do this, the hip you're rotating towards will internally rotate, while the hip you're rotating away from will externally rotate. Once the pelvis can go no further, reach the arms out straight in front of the chest. Then add a little more rotation by allowing the thoracic spine to rotate as you push the hips back and lean the shoulders forward to reach the arms up and forward slightly. This will deepen the internal rotation on the hip you're rotating towards. Pause here for a few seconds before reversing the movement and returning to the forward-facing posture. Then repeat on the opposite side. The Chinese hip grinder is a great warm-up exercise for most people. For others, it can be a workout. Doing sets of 8 to 10 alternating reps with a 3 to 5 second pause in the end range of the rotation is a good starting place for most people. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.